Legal CBD, otherwise known as cannabidiol, is one of the major active ingredients in hemp. Researchers have conducted numerous studies on the hemp-derived substance. They found that you can use CBD oil for pain relief, to reduce inflammation, get better sleep and manage symptoms of many other medical conditions. They have learned that CBD oil has many potential benefits. You can take CBD to reduce chronic pain, treat acne, multiple sclerosis, and cancer-related symptoms. Due to these discoveries, some doctors have even begun recommending CBD as an alternative to traditional opioid treatments or medications. Patients with the targeted ailments, especially those with chronic pain, are the ones who should benefit the most from the use of CBD. Taking CBD oil for pain relief, does it work? The human body consists of numerous specialized systems that all have different tasks. One system, the endocannabinoid system, is tasked with regulating appetite, sleep, pain, and our immune system. This system contains neurotransmitters called endocannabinoids that are capable of interacting with cannabinoid receptors. Researchers found that CBD has the ability to interact with these neurotransmitters, thus influencing our perception of pain. CBD oil can drastically reduce pain induced by various illnesses such as arthritis. Moreover, CBD can help with reducing inflammation associated with issues such as acne. This alone has made many individuals or patients with chronic pain make the switch from conventional medication and treatments to CBD oil. How to use CBD oil for pain relief. In studies done with rats, CBD has proven effective in treating pain-related ailments. While this may not directly translate to humans, CBD users have found that it performs well in comparison to conventional medication or treatments. So, how do you properly use it in treating your ailment? Doctors and practicing physicians recommend taking small doses of CBD oil. This technique seems to be more effective in treating pain. If the small dosage is not enough to treat your symptoms, you may consider upping your dosage in small increments. However, make sure to see a doctor before you change the quantity of your CBD dose. CBD products come in many variations, but the widely used ones are edibles and vapes. Users who have consumed edibles have found that its effects last longer as opposed to vaping. In any case, know your dosage before attempting to try either edibles or vape. Legality of CBD oil. One question comes to mind when thinking about CBD. Is CBD and any products containing it actually legal? The short answer is yes, CBD is legal, but with certain regulations per state. For instance, hemp-derived CBD products treating childhood epilepsy is legal in every state. If you are considering a switch to this organic, safer treatment, give Happy Tea a try. We work relentlessly to provide you with the highest quality hemp-derived CBD products. The products are in the form of shake-and-go drinks that come in an assortment of flavors to suit every need. Being both lab-tested and organically grown, Happy Tea provides the best CBD products that you may ever need.